All right, hey guys, this is Jason Gerald, and I want to welcome you to this how can you make $100 to $200 a day simply just by sending out emails. It's very simple to do, and I'm going to walk you through the process of how you can actually do this and start making money within the next couple of days or less, depending on how if you take action after this video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is I want to walk through how does this all work and kind of give you an idea of the different videos. These are going to be very short videos, only about a minute or two videos, not very long because this is not a very complicated process. Okay, so the first part of this is how do you find people who have a problem? Because you want to be able to solve a problem in order to fix a problem for somebody so that you can make money. Then you're going to offer a solution for exchange for an email, just like you got to here to this page. I offered you a solution to a problem in exchange for your email. Okay, and then you're going to offer them a solution via paid product or service. And let me tell you, there's only two ways to make money online. You either have to sell a product or you got to sell a service. Now, it doesn't have to be your product or service. You can sell somebody else's product or service, and I'll go over that in more detail. That's called affiliate marketing. And there's millions and millions of ways that you can do this. But I want to make this simple and easy for you with this step-by-step process. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is how do you find people who have a problem? So the best way to do that is within a niche. Now there are millions and millions of niches out there that you can make money from, and you can make a lot of money from all these different niches out there, but there's really only three when you're starting off that you should be in. Number one, the health niche. Why is the health niche? Because the health niche is the biggest. There are millions and millions of dollars being spent every day on how to lose weight and how to look better and how to, makeup and all that stuff for women. There are millions and millions of dollars being spent. So that's number one. Number two is the wealth. How do you make $100 to $200 per day simply by sending out emails? The wealth industry, right? You want to learn how to make money, so as you want to get out of that 9-to-5 job. Well, this is the way of doing it, is you got to have a strategy, a plan that I'm going to show you how to do. Now, the third industry is the relationship. And if you have all the health in the world, who doesn't, and you have all the money in the world, but you don't have a relationship, you want to be able to solve that person's problem who is looking to build a relationship. So those are the three areas. And people, because these are the main areas of concern, most people, they want to improve their life to make it better for them, and they're willing to pay you money in order to do that. Okay, so now let's talk about the niche and dig a little bit deeper into the niche. That'll be the next video that I'm going to talk about. It's very simple to do. So stay tuned, go to the next video right below this here, and I'll see you in video 2.